accompany us throughout our lifetime. They are a symbol of diligence, thrift, and concern for the welfare of others. The Beekeeping Center of Slovenia introduces a rich history of beekeeping and the bee path dedicated to honey plants. And it also displays the model of the Carniolan honeybee, or Kranica, the largest bee species in Slovenia. Bees are a source of life, since they enable the survival of mankind and the continuation of life on our planet. So let's strive to preserve the remaining bee populations. Slovenia prides itself on a long beekeeping tradition. The Carniolan honeybee represents such an indispensable part of our natural and cultural heritage that we have even established the house of the Carniolan honeybee in Višnja Gora. Here, the visitors can admire a unique interactive exhibition which presents the indigenous Slovene Carniolan honeybee, our national pride. Let's protect the bees. Let's protect life.